Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this, opening my Valentine's Day gift a little bit late, please hit the like button, and please also don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. So let's jump right into it. Hey guys, you're probably wondering why I'm on camera or doing this video, because I have my hair and makeup all done, and I actually have jeans on and real clothes on, but I wanted to do a little show you makeup haul, what I got for Valentine's Day. It was just a little late, so I thought I'd show you today. So I haven't even opened the package. It's pink, it's very pretty, and I did a pink look today. You want to stay tuned for that on Sunday. I did a get ready with me, one and done, and it turned out amazing. So I already pre-recorded that. So I'm going to open this up. It. So, the first thing, oh my gosh, are you serious? Oh, this is so cute. Oh, so cute, so cute. So, I am going to go off camera and take a picture real fast because I wanted to do that, and then I'll come back. Okay, sorry, I wanted to take a picture real fast. I will open it up, and I'll insert everything that I got for Valentine's Day. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So this is actually a headband. Super cute. It's actually like when you take a shower or when you wash your face with your skincare, you actually put your hair back with this and it doesn't get in your face. This is super cute. Okay, now I got 2 Heart Dove chocolates, pink, which if you don't know me by now and you're just joining me for the first time, thank you. Please hit the subscribe button and the like button before you leave. Pink is one of my favoriteest colors ever. Pink and green are my favorite. So this is a makeup brush. Ooh, it's like a pointy one. So I think that it is a concealer one, or you can use it for foundation. I will have to ask my friend who sent the gift. So, and the next one is, actually, I'm going to go off camera again. Okay, so I'm finally back for the last time. I took a few pictures so I wouldn't have to come back or anything. So, go back and forth. So, this is such cute paper. Like, this is totally Valentine's Day. Like, I'm in love with this. Okay, so I'm opening it up. Whoa. So, I got a long time ShadowSense that I wanted to try, and I'll be showing you in videos. This is Mocha Java Gilter ShadowSense. It is amazing. And Pastal Pink Lipsence, which is very pretty for spring, and spring is just right around the corner. So I am so excited with all the stuff that I got and the gifts. Thank you very much to my friend. And there is a note for me, but I'm going to read it off camera. So please hit that like button. Please also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post new videos every single time. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching me open my Valentine's Day gift. Thanks for watching. Also, one last thing. I will put a link, my very own link, so that you can purchase the ShadowSense and the Lipsense that I got for my Valentine's Day gift. Once you click on the link, it's going to take you to a page. It says shop it, learn about it. You want to scroll down and click shop now, and you click on that and it'll send you to ShadowSense site, and it will come up with eyes, lips, and you want to click on those. But if you need help or if you have any questions, please comment down below. And also, comments are welcome. Please keep them kind. Or you can direct message me on my Instagram account. The link is in my about on my YouTube page. So thanks for watching, and please like this video.